How does Jus Cogens limit state sovereignty? Imagine a world where every country can do whatever it wants within its borders. Now, picture a set of rules so powerful that no nation can ignore them, no matter how much they value independence. That's what Jus Cogens norms are all about. They are the fundamental principles of international law that everyone agrees are so important, no one can break them. These norms include prohibitions against genocide, slavery, torture, and crimes against humanity. Because they are recognized globally and are non-negotiable, they sit above other laws and treaties. Traditionally, a country's sovereignty means it has full control over its territory and can make its own laws without outside interference. But Jus Cogens norms change that idea. They set clear boundaries that no country can cross, even if they want to. If a treaty conflicts with a Jus Cogens norm, that treaty is invalid. This means a country cannot justify acts like torture or genocide just because they claim sovereignty. These norms act like a moral and legal shield that limits what states can do. From an ethical and political point of view, Jus Cogens norms reflected shared values that the entire world agrees on. They push countries to respect human rights and dignity, even if it means limiting their power. This creates a tension between respecting a country's independence and protecting universal moral standards. Jus Cogens norms serve as a way to keep political power in check with what is morally right. They help promote fairness and justice across nations. In practice, these norms have real effects. They make treaties that violate these norms invalid. They give international courts the authority to prosecute individuals or states that commit serious crimes like genocide or torture. Countries are also encouraged to change their laws to match these global standards. This helps ensure that everyone, no matter where they are, is held to the same ethical standards. While these norms do limit sovereignty, they also show how international law is evolving. Ethical principles are becoming a key part of how nations govern themselves. These norms are strong because they are stable and widely accepted, but changing or updating them requires international agreement. So, in the end, Jus Cogens norms are about balancing national independence with the need for a shared moral foundation that protects human rights everywhere.